I just had my NLP preview. I'm very happy about it, and in fact I can say that I have a very successful preview. And the most important thing is people understand what I say about NLP, and they feel that their lives can change if they know NLP. And most of the people, when they come, they are trying to find a solution to their work or to their life. And NLP techniques that I teach them, or the NLP way of looking at things, serve very well for the purposes. And I feel that many of them take home a lot of lessons from my review. And the most important thing is, like what he said, that certain people think they will feel good if certain things happen. But I feel that the trick is you have to feel good for no reason. So after the course or after the preview, I can feel that they feel very good for having attended this preview and they feel that NLP is a way of looking at reality differently. And to avoid conflict, when they know about reality, that is not what everyone will have, same kind of reality. And they realize that to understand about the filters of communication, such as deletion, distortion, and generalization, it's important for them to understand that the map is not the territory. So in a way, it is like this review has given people, those who have come for my review, a glimpse of what NLP is about and how NLP is useful in the communication, especially in everyday life. So I would like to tell you that if you go to my website, Stronghold NLP, then you'll be able to find a lot more of the things that what NLP is about, and you can even book your seat in the courses that I have. And now I'm giving a very good promotion rate of 3,800 for a 7 days course, which will earn you the NLP practitioner course. So the certification is all the way from US, and it is worldwide in recognition. So please come and look up my website, and hopefully you'll find it, and then you'll be interested and come and change your life for it. So in a way, improve your life the NLP way. Thank you.